Thank you for buying your J Ottoman bed from Dreams. Assembly of this bed takes 2 people around 1.5 hours to complete. To assemble this bed, you will need the following parts. Use the bolts to mount the side rails to the head and footboard. Place bolt assemblies into the headboard and hook the side rail into position. Finger tighten to 90% and repeat for the footboard. Next, fit the angled corner brackets. These go in the footboard end of the bed. Attach one to each corner using the bolts provided. Ensure the bed is square and then fully tighten all bolts to 100%. Loosely fit the gas piston stem to the upper axles, ensuring the cylinder, the largest diameter part, is at the top. Fit the piston stem to the upper axle using the locking nuts and spanner provided. The J bed comes with solid boards or sprung slats. For sprung slats, follow the instructions here, and for everything else, please refer to the instruction manual. The fitting position for the crossbar is clearly labelled on the slat frame. Pass the bar through the gap between first and second slat. To the top of the slat frame, fit 2 connection plates using 4 bolt sets, screwing them into the threaded inserts on top of the frame. Do not yet tighten any bolts fully. The crossbar fixing plates sit on top of each side of the slat frame, on top of the round labels. Align each bolt with the threaded holes fixed through the plates using the bolt sets. Next, carefully lay the slat frame onto the top of the support bars, making sure the bed is still square and there is an even gap all the way round. Using 3 bolts on each side, fix the slat frame loosely to the bars, ensuring you fix the bolts through the center of the long holes. Ensure the bed is still square and that there is a small gap around the edge of the slat frame. Once complete, tighten all bolts to 100%. Now lift the frame and slide the piston stems onto the lower axles, then fit the lock nuts. Tighten them with the spanner, but note a small 2 mm gap is needed so stems can move freely. It is important, so do not over-tighten. Push 2 mattress stoppers into the slat frame. Ensure that they go all the way through the upper and lower metal sections. Now unpack the Ottoman support bar, OSB, from its carton inside pack 2. To the underneath of the slat frame, fit the parking bracket, which will keep the safety bar out of the way when not in use. To fit, screw the bolts into the threaded inset on the underside of the frame. Next, fit the support bar using 2 bolt sets, which are screwed into the threaded inserts on the underside of the frame. Tighten fully. Fit the fixed retaining bracket to the side rail by screwing 2 bolt sets into the threaded inserts there. Once done, ensure the bracket is level and at the correct height. Ensure the bolts are in the center of the holes, sliding the inner bar or bracket up or down until the OSB beam just touches the surface. Now adjust the inner stem to the correct length so that the end just touches the retaining bracket, which will hold it in position. Fit the fabric base cover evenly around the inside of the bed. Once done, the crossbar can be fitted. This goes across the middle of the bed from side rail to side rail above the fabric base. To attach, fit the support block in the center of the side rail crossbar using a bolt and flat washer. Tighten to 100% using the Allen key. Using 4 bolt sets, fit the crossbar to both side rails and tighten to 100% using the Allen key. Take care not to damage the fabric when fitting. Congratulations! Your bed is now complete and ready to give you your best night's sleep.